Lesson number 3, it is what it is. On July 19th, 2026, the cosmic landscape is marked by a rare configuration of outer planets called the Barbalt basket, where planets align for clear direction and also drop some goodies and surprises. Now let's look into astrology chart houses. Astrology chart houses are 12 segments of the birth chart wheel, each representing a different area of life, self, money, communication, home, etc., providing the timeline for where planets express their energy, revealing where you experience themes. Example: 10th house is for career. 7th house relationships or personal growth. Another example, but this one is for a birth chart of a Cancer animal sign fire dog. And it reads like Sun, Cancer. Moon, Aries to Taurus. Timeline, Cancer to Aries. Summary of the birth chart. Sun in Cancer. Moon was in Aries. Mercury in Cancer. Venus was in Leo. Mars in Virgo. Jupiter was in Libra. Saturn in Cancer. Uranus was in Gemini. Neptune in Libra. Pluto was in Leo. Life path number 5. Soul number 6. When you add the path and soul, you get 2. 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. In numerology way, 7 plus 9 is equal to 16. 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. Hence you get age 7. Numerology, the mystical relationship between numbers and events. By reducing your birth date and name to single digits, 1 to 9, or master numbers, 11, 22, 33, you can reveal your core, life path, and destiny. Each digit embodies a distinct vibrational archetype and life lesson. Age 79 is equal to 7. 4th house it is. The moon and the 4th house rule Cancerians. People born on June 24, 1946 are governed by Cancer. Its dates are between June 21st and July 22. Now, let's go to one of the most important card in tarot. The 2 of Swords in a tarot reading generally represents indecision, stalemate, and the need to make a difficult choice. It often signifies a period of internal conflict where you are weighing options and trying to find balance, potentially struggling with blocking out distractions or facing a challenging situation. In life, we always have to deal with exact challenges, and that is where you need to be strong and make sure you don't doubt yourself. If you find it more difficult to reason, take your time, no rush. If you feel a rush, ask yourself a big why and make sure you don't allow that. Now let's move on with 2 of Swords. Location breakdown is about indecision, stalemate, difficult choices, weighing options, internal conflict, blocked emotions, seeking balance. Balancing life is always a difficult one. Knowing yourself is very important when it comes to balance. The symbol for 2 of Swords is blindfold. Represents a deliberate choice to block out external distractions and focus inward on one's own thoughts and feelings. Cross swords are about conflict desires, a difficult decision to make. In life, there are moments where you face difficult decision, and you may be feeling conflicted or overwhelmed by the choices available. It may be a time to slow down, assess the situation from all angles, and trust your inner feelings. Yes, you might experience emotional turmoil, a lack of clarity, or a refusal to face a difficult truth. It may be a warning to stop avoiding a problem and to seek help or guidance if needed. In total, the 2 of Swords can highlight the need for balance and harmony in relationships. It may indicate a situation where you are caught in the middle of a conflict or struggling to maintain a relationship due to opposing viewpoints. Now is the time to have on what you keep on repeat. Career-wise, the 2 of Swords encourages you to find balance, make conscious choices, and trust your intuition as you navigate challenging situations in your life. Current vibes: July 17, 2026. 6 planet aligned featuring Mercury, Venus, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. As from July 7, 2026, Neptune turns 5 months retrograde in Aries. We are currently in year 1 of the Fire Horse. The 2 of Swords, the lesson of lesson 3. Bye-bye.